Theo, are you okay? You look like you are frozen.
I am thinking, Maya. Give me 1 second. I want to say something very important.
You are doing that thing again. You are translating in your head
How do you know?
because your eyes are looking up and your mouth is moving, but no sound is coming out. You are taking a French word, finding the English word, and then building a bridge. It takes too much time.
It is so hard. My brain is a very busy office right now. There are many papers and many dictionaries everywhere.
That is the problem. We need to close the office. Today, we are talking about how to stop translating in your head. It is the best way to become fluent.
I need this. Everyone watching needs this. If you want to stop the brain freeze and speak English like a pro, you are in the right place. Welcome to Sidekick English.
Before we give you the secret habit, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the like button and share this video with a friend who also takes 10 minutes to finish a sentence.
Yes, like me. Do not be like me. Be better. Subscribe now.
Okay, Theo, tell me, why do you translate in your head?
Because I am scared of making a mistake. I want the perfect sentence. I think of the word in my language. Then I look for the English word. Then I check the grammar. Then I say it. By that time, the person I am talking to is already sleeping.
Exactly. It makes you slow. And it makes you tired.
It makes me very tired. My head hurts after 10 minutes of English.
That is because you are doing double the work. You are thinking twice. We want to think once.
Is that possible? Can I really think in English? I am not an English person. I am Theo. I like cheese and long naps.
Yes, you can. It is a habit. It is like training a muscle. You do not start with a heavy weight. You start small.
Give me something small, Maya. I am ready.
The first step is to name the things around you. Right now, look at your room. What do you see?
I see a desk. I see a lamp. I see a very old sandwich.
Do not think of the word in your language first. Just look at the lamp and say lamp in your head.
Lamp, desk, old sandwich.
Good. Do this all day. When you wake up, look at the bed. Say bed. When you brush your teeth, say toothbrush.
I do this already, but I say it in my language.
That is the habit we need to break. When you see the object, the English word must come first. No middleman. No translation.
So no more dictionaries in my brain?
No more dictionaries for simple objects. If you see a cat, do not think of your word for cat. Just see the cat and think cat.
I can do that. Cat. Easy. What is next?
Next, you need to use very simple sentences. Stop trying to say complex things.
But I want to sound smart. I want to talk about the stars and the meaning of life.
You can do that later. Right now, keep it simple. Instead of saying, I am currently feeling a bit of hunger and I think I might go to the kitchen, just think, I am hungry. I want food.
I am hungry. I want food. That is my life story, Maya.
It is a good story. When you use simple sentences, your brain does not need to translate. The words are right there.
I tried this yesterday. I was at the grocery store. I wanted to buy milk. In my head, I kept saying, milk. I need milk. Where's the milk?
And did it help?
Yes, I found the milk, but then the lady at the store asked me if I wanted a bag. My brain crashed. I forgot the word for bag. I just stood there.
That is okay. When that happens, do not go back to your language. Stay in English. If you forget the word for bag, use other English words. Say, the thing for the things.
The thing for the things? She will think I am crazy.
No, she will understand. It is better than stopping completely. It keeps your brain in English mode.
English mode. I like that. It sounds like a superhero setting.
It is. Another great habit is to talk to yourself.
I do that a lot. People already think I am strange.
But do you do it in English?
No, usually I talk to myself about what I want to eat for dinner.
Try doing it in English. When you are alone, talk about your day. Say, now I am putting on my shoes. Now I am opening the door. It is a sunny day.
This morning I tried it. I said, Theo, you are wearing 2 different socks.
Perfect. That is thinking in English. You are describing your life as it happens.
But Maya, what about the big words? What about when I want to tell a funny story? I have so many funny stories, like the time I tried to cook a chicken in a toaster.
That is a very Theo story. To tell a story, you need to stop translating and start visualizing.
Visualizing? Is that a magic trick?
Not magic. It is pictures. When you think of your toaster story, do not think of the words. See the toaster. See the chicken. See the smoke.
I can see the smoke. It was a lot of smoke.
Now, describe the picture. The chicken is in the toaster. There is smoke. I am scared.
The chicken is in the toaster. There is smoke. I am scared. Wow, I did not translate that. I just said what I saw in my head.
Exactly. You went from the picture to the English words. You skipped the translation.
This feels much faster. My brain office feels less busy.
That is the secret. Images are the same in every language. A toaster is a toaster. If you connect the image to the English word, you win.
But sometimes I see something and I do not know the English word. Then I have to use a dictionary.
Use a picture dictionary. Or use Google Images. If you see a word you do not know, do not look for the translation, look for the picture.
So if I see the word pineapple, I look at a picture of a pineapple.
Yes. Then your brain connects the fruit to the word pineapple. It never learns the translation. It only learns the English.
This is a total game changer. I have been learning English wrong for years. I was building a huge library of translations.
Most people do. But a library is for reading, not for talking. Talking needs to be fast.
Like a race car.
Exactly. And race cars do not carry heavy books.
I want to be a race car. A very fast, English-speaking race car.
Then you need to practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of only English thoughts.
What if I have a dream in English? Does that count?
That is the gold medal. If you dream in English, it means your brain has finally accepted the habit.
I had a dream once that a giant English book was chasing me. Does that count?
Maybe not that one. That sounds like a nightmare.
It was. The book wanted me to conjugate verbs.
You want to avoid that. Focus on your feelings too. This is a big one.
My feelings? You know I am very emotional, Maya.
I know. When you feel something, say it in English. If you are tired, think, I am tired. If you are happy, think, I am happy.
Right now, I am feeling motivated.
Good word.
I am feeling motivated to go home and tell my cat all my secrets in English.
Your cat will be the most fluent pet in the world.
He is a very good listener. He never corrects my grammar.
That is actually a good tip. Find someone or something to talk to where you do not feel judged. A cat, a plant, or just the mirror.
I like the mirror. I look good in the mirror.
Use that. Tell the mirror what you are going to do today. I am going to work. I am going to meet my friends. I am going to eat a giant pizza.
I am going to eat a giant pizza. I like that sentence. It is easy to remember.
The goal is to make English your natural voice, not a code you have to break.
A code.
Yeah.
That is what it feels like I am a spy trying to translate a secret message.
But you are not a spy. You are Theo. And you are speaking to your friends. We want to hear you, not your translation.
I feel much better now. I am going to try to think only in English for the rest of this video.
Let's test it. What are you thinking right now?
I am thinking, Maya is a very good teacher, and I am thinking, I want a cookie.
Perfect. No pause. No brain freeze. Just thoughts.
It works. It really works.
It takes time, Theo. You will forget. You will go back to translating. But when you notice it, just stop. Go back to the images. Go back to the simple sentences.
I will try. I will be the master of the English mode.
I believe in you. And I believe in everyone watching. You can do this.
This was so helpful. I feel like my brain is breathing for the first time.
I am glad. That is why we are here. To make English feel like a friend, not a chore.
A friend like Maya.
And a funny sidekick like Theo.
Hey, I am a hero too. Sometimes.
Of course you are. You are a hero for learning a new language. It is a big challenge.
Thank you. I feel heroic. And hungry. Mostly hungry.
Then let's finish this so you can get some food.
Good idea. If you enjoyed this conversation, please let us know. We love hearing from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What is one thing you can see right now? Tell us the English word for it. No translating, just the first thing you see.
I see a camera. And I see a very happy Maya.
And I see a Theo who is ready for a cookie.
So ready. Do not forget to like this video if it helped you. It helps our channel a lot.
And share it with someone who needs to stop the brain freeze. Let's help everyone think in English.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye. Keep thinking in English.
I am thinking, bye.
That was still a bit of a pause, Theo.
I am working on it. Give me a break.
You are doing great. See you later.
See you later. English is fun. English is easy. Cookies are better.
Theo, stop.
Okay, bye.